Previously on Turtle Crossing. After navigating through some spooky fog, we hauled out and cleaned out Mr. Turtle to prepare for a long winter's nap. Hey, my name is Sarah, and this is my husband Christopher. Join us as we begin the adventure of a lifetime with our son William aboard our floating home, Mr. Turtle.
Much too late.
After a very busy day, we drove to our friend's place for a celebratory dinner and to catch up on all the dock gossip we had missed while away.
Walking around with the oven mitt on.
Play your... Okay, lie down. Lie down.
He's gonna do the splits. He's like, no, I already had my cheese, man. Eat a good boy, yeah. Eat a good boy. We're back at Mr. Turtle to do some work today, but we have the littlest skipper with us.
In my wagon.
He's in his wagon, and we're gonna go meet Grandma and Grandpa at the gate. They're gonna pick William up, and Chris and I are gonna spend the afternoon trying to get the engine winterized, which was gonna be a huge challenge because we didn't do it when it was in the water, which we should have, because we wanted the engine to be warm, and we need to run it in order for it to be warm. So we spent a long time like brainstorming how we were gonna get water like up onto the boat, right? Because we've got this big giant blue ladder right now. But then Chris was like, hey, look what I found. We have a water hookup and an electrical hookup. Not everybody has access to water. Like anybody who's docked or parked in the inside doesn't have access to water, but because we're up against the fence, we do.
Before starting on the engine, we needed to make some room inside the cabin.
What were you going down there for?
I dropped off the thing that you need.
Sit here. We have to get the boom out. The boom is currently in the boat, but it's also still got the mainsail on it. First we have to get the boom down, and we're quite high up. So we have this idea, and we'll see if it works. You get the ratchet straps this time?
No,
Chris just likes climbing the ladder. So we're taking, what are we taking off?
this is the water intake for the engine. We didn't change the oil when it was in the water, which probably was a mistake, because now we have to get water into the boat to warm up the oil so that we can take it out more easily. But we also wanted to replace this hose because it comes from the seacock and that wires off to this thing. So this used to be, I think, a pump for the sink, but it's redundant now, so it was at the point where if it fell down below the water line, it would just flood the boat and sink the boat.
Yeah.
So we, in the short term, we had plugged it and clamped it and tied it up. But I mean, we have to get a longer hose anyways, so that we can run a hose into a bucket and start the engine.
So that we can do the oil change.
So we can do the oil change and then pump coolant through.
So we may as well kill two birds with one stone or
So
whatever.
I'm taking it right off, getting a longer hose, and then when we're done using it for what we want to use it for, I'll maybe get a joiner so we can use it again next year. At least it won't have this weird thing in here next year. The doodad. Yeah.
So science experiment in there. Good job, baby.
And your list of stuff. Add hose.
Hose is on there.
Okay.
Is that it? My list of 2 things? We just got back from getting some stuff to do our oil change. So here's our 1979 Yanmar diesel engine. This thing is like a tank.
It comes pre-made for you.
That's good. Fill her up. Here we go.
Ready?
Yep.
Water's coming out. You're doing well.
Shout out to our friend Greg for letting us borrow his pump. I've been working on a railroad all the livelong day.
Oh, stop.
This will be good that we have this done. It's supposed to snow next week, so. Yay, Canada.
So the trick is, once you get it off, to turn it upright as quick as you can.
There's a lot coming out.
Oh yeah, there's some spot there. It's not terrible, but definitely should have oil. And I'm sure it's not the first time. So I marked where I can see it, 3/4 to a full turn.
We put 3 liters in and just sat for a minute to let it trickle down, and now we're going to take a little reading with the dipstick and see if we can figure out if we need more. Oh, it does. It's just clean now.
It looks really high.
So what do we do if it's too high?
Pump more out again, but we have to turn the engine on to get it go through the tank.
Okay.
And once you get it out with your left hand, you pull it up. There's a line that you pull it up in between. You gotta be real gentle with all those cables though, like, so not on the outside. You have to bring it up in between the engine and there's a line. It's the only way to get it out. Oh, you got her. So wipe it off and then dip it back in.
Yeah, it's supposed to be in the middle. So this is like the 12th time pumped, but we put too much oil in by far. So we're just trying to, we'll just take out more than we think we should and then we'll top it up and we'll know better for next year. Ow.
Still high.
Still full.
Not an efficient oil change.
Yes, that looks better. It's below the line, right?
Yeah, we're top of the line, but
Yes!
I feel like
We did it! Next time we do it, we'll know. Not
like
3
a liter
liters.
and a half,
Yeah, probably 1.5 liters or tops 2 liters, but definitely not 3.
The winterization of Mr. Turtle is far from over, and we've added another member to our fleet. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to support our channel and get access to early and exclusive content, you can become a patron for as little as $3 a month. See you next time, sail fans.
I've been working